Albert, why on earth are you not taking your 10-minute break?
Because, Prof, I've been on a break from this class ever since it began.
Excuse me, Albert, but do you not understand the importance of legal writing?
Yo, Prof, I understand the importance of words with friends, playing hangman on my iPhone, G-chatting, and coming up with 140-character tweets. But this legal writing stuff, lame.
What on earth is a tweet?
You know, Prof, it's like a legal writing memo, just minus the IRAC and only 140 characters. Not Courier New, not 12-point font, and definitely no Blue Book.
Oh, goodness. Well, I hope you've been working on your point headings. This is a very, very serious assignment, Albert.
Yeah, Prof. The only point I am headed towards is going to Stumbles and watching SportsCenter reruns.
Dear Albert, do you not understand that you will fail as a jurist and be like the dear fellow from My Cousin Vinny if you do not master your legal writing? You will be talking like a bro, you may say, for the rest of your life. You will be writing like an unlearned hand.
Who is this learned hand you speak of?
The more important question is, who are you to think legal writing is not important? You should be asking me, why should I be learning, improving, and growing as a legal writer?
I would much rather be a legal texter, Prof. But everyone at the bar review said all these crazy things about legal writing that terrified me. In fact, it scared me so much I watched Rosie O'Donnell on the OWN network for the first time.
Albert, you cannot always listen to what other people have to say. Perhaps we should discuss the myths of a legal writing education.
Okay. Enlighten me, Prof.
Well, first of all, you probably think you can choose a practice area where you do not have to write. Perhaps this tweeting law on your cell phone.
Prof, of course there are areas of law where you don't have to write. My elementary school guidance counselor told me I could be a lawyer even if I made a D- in 5th grade writing.
Albert, all law careers require some element of writing. You must understand this, or else you are more destined for failure than I fear you already are. Great Scott!
Whoa, Prof, that's pretty heavy. What are some other things that make legal writing important?
Well, you probably think you are only learning how to write point headings and statement of facts for Liz Elliott or the Manchester Centre, but the truth is, legal writing teaches you much, much more than writing. Don't be deceived by the word writing. Understand, this class is teaching you how to analyze opinions, statutes, and even teaching you how to be oral in your opinions.
Well, Prof, I don't need much help at all with being vocal. My girlfriends say I'm the best talker ever.
Albert, let's be honest with each other. We both know that is just a game you have put up so that you can be a player and use being in law school as a way to get Chapel Hill girls. Come on, you are no Antonin Scalia.
Prof, I have no answer to that. You're like the legal version of Nostradamus.
It's Damus, you dumb...
Anyway, Won't every judge I go to already know the law? I mean, I don't see the point in having to explain things and write all this stuff so perfectly.
Don't assume the judge has a good working knowledge of the area of law you are writing about, Albert. You must educate your readers. You must be able to articulate the legal reasoning, rules, and analyses to the judge. If you pay attention, excuse me.
Oh, sorry, Prof. I had to tweet about this sweet lecture you're giving me.
If you pay attention, Albert, you will learn how to articulate very well so that a judge will not hold you in contempt, as I may, and file a motion to suspend your license. That is, if you ever get one.
But, Professor, I have never had a problem articulating before. I don't think it's such a big deal for me to not write good or use simple language. I mean, I may not be superfluous, but I know where to draw the line when it comes to my writing.
It's articulate, not articulate. That's something one of those med students would talk about. It's superfluous? I don't think you even know what that means. You shouldn't use words you don't know. And drawing the line, well, if you continue this, the only line you're going to be drawing is the line in your jail cell between you and your roommate when you get sued and put in jail for malpractice.
Sorry, Prof. I was just trying to impress you without having to use the blue book. And if I were using the blue book, I'd look it up under like T6 or T11, right?
Oh, you dear child. I guess the ICWs have not taught you anything. Look, simple words are sometimes more appropriate in legal writing than words like superfluous. If you don't understand the meaning and you place it in a sentence, your reader is going to think you graduated from McAfoo's University College of Law in Trinidad and Tobago rather than a fine institution like this.
So I shouldn't use big words that I don't know? And it's okay to use simple words?
Precisely. It sounds like you are well on your way to understanding why this course is so very important. There are a lot of myths out there. Just like the one saying I graduated from online law school and took the bar in California. But just because there are rumors, it doesn't mean you should believe them. This class is vital to your career as a attorney, jurist, and, as you may say, lawyer.
I totally get it now, Prof. I've already put a 140-character summary of this on Twitter and have been retweeted by all of my classmates. I think you may be a trending topic now.
I will never understand this tweeter, but I can say it is time to start class, so sit down before I dock you on your professionalism points.
Whoa. Apparently legal writing is a lifelong experience.
Now that is no myth. Sit down, Albert.
Whoa. This is heavy. But I totally comprehend and understand everything you're saying, Professor. Thank you so much.